Good morning mga kaps ko. I'm currently at the international airport here in Chengdu, China. It's 2 hours before my flight, so I'm gonna fly locally first and then from Xiamen to the Philippines. Alam nyo ba, Diyos ko, aligaga yung lola nyo, aligaga yung tita 18 nyo. Why? Kasi ayoko magdalawa na luggage kasi ako lang mag-isa. So, pinilit kong ilagay lahat. Yung mga gamit, yung mga freebies, lahat-lahat yung mga damit sa isang luggage, tapos may backpack pa ako. And I realized just now, lintik. Alam niyo yung napagawa akong magpaganda, nagpakulay ako, nagpa-nails ako, nagpa-eyelashes ako. Wala akong bra at panty, na. Wala akong napak na bra at panty. Ano ba yan? Alright, so I have a reason to go to Bench para bumili ng bra at panty. Kasi 4 days ako dyan, pwede na maiyo. 4 days, tapos isa lang yung bra, nasuot-suot ko ngayon, tapos pawis na pawis pa ako ngayon. Diyos ko, this is how I started my day here at the airport mga kakaps ko. I'll be boarding at maybe 11:30 in the afternoon. I'll be arriving in the Philippines at around 7:30 at night. Then I will be at the hotel at around probably 9 o'clock. I will have a transfer from Naiya Airport. So, I'll update you, Caps, sa mga ganaps ko here. Kasi, aligaga yung, andito na tayo. Aray ko. Hi! Yay! Andito na tayo. Alright, I'll update you guys mamaya. We're going to be checking in there from that counter to that counter. So, we're just gonna choose. I still have an hour and 20 minutes to check in and then boarding. So we're fine. We're good. Right, nakalampas na tayo ng security. Yes! Medyo natagalan lang kasi yung Dior ko na perfume, akala nila akala nila liqueur siya. Pero mabilis lang naman. Inamoy lang nila. Tapos sabi nila, okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna get a drink, Starbucks drink. And then my boarding time is at 11:25. It's currently, anong oras ngayon? Mga 11. So we still have 25 minutes and my boarding gate is at 250. So 250, hanapin natin yun. Mabilis lang naman tong airport na to. Sobrang laki ng airport na to pero mabilis siyang i-navigate. Nandito na tayo sa Starbucks. I'll get coffee. I'll see you guys later. Tsaka may ikikwento ako mamaya. Diba hindi ako nakapag-vlog nung pumunta ako ng Bangkok. Kasi talagang na-bad trip ako noon. Hindi because hindi natuloy yung concert. It's because muntik na akong umalis ng China na walang dalang pera. Basta ikikwento ko yan mamaya. Mag-order muna ako ng coffee. Kasi nakakatawa yun. Tatanga-tanga. Kagaya ng hindi ko napak yung panty at saka bra ko sa trip na to. Ang layo ng gate ko. Parang mga 15 minutes walk siya from the security. So, 10 minutes na lang at magbo-boarding na ako. My God. Ayan na yung plane natin mga B. So, ito na nga yung kwento ko, di ba? So, last time, pumunta ako ng Bangkok dahil gusto kong umattend ng pagtatag world tour ng Mahalima sa Bangkok. Tatanga-tanga ako, just like today, tatanga-tanga yung tita 18 nyo. Before, yung katangahan ko, muntik na akong umalis ng bansa ng walang card, walang pera, walang kung ano-ano. Yung phone ko lang. Kasi dito sa China, lahat ng transactions nasa phone na lang. So, lahat ng bank cards mo, lahat naka-tie in na sa phone mo. So, kahit anong gawin mo, kahit anong bilhin mo, mag-order ka o kaya mag-book ng taxi, mag-book ng Grab, lahat sa phone na. So, kampante ako. Buti na lang, sinamahan ako ng asawa ko papuntang airport, papuntang dito. At that time, anniversary namin yun. Kakagaling lang namin ng dinner. So, from there to the airport, sabi ko sa kanya, wag muna talaga akong ihatid papuntang airport. Bumaba ka na lang sa stop na malapit sa bahay natin. Pagkababa niya, guys, alam niyo ba? Pagka-close talaga ng door ng subway, I realized na wala pala talaga akong pera. Talagang sobrang natulala ako kasi anong gagawin ko sa Bangkok kung wala akong bank card, wala akong mapag-withdrawhan. Tapos hindi gagana yung Alipay at saka WeChat Pay doon. So talagang nagpanik ako, buti na lang may time pa ako. So sinabihan ko yung asawa ko, mag-antay siya sa next train, tapos bababa na lang ako sa next stop. Tapos doon kami magkikita sa next stop. Buti na lang, dala-dala niya card niya. Tamo na, yung asawa ko talaga medyo medyo prepared yan. Boy Scout yan eh. So, dala-dala niya yung card niya, bank card niya. Ako talaga kasi, hindi ako nagdadala ng wallet. Wala talaga kasi asa yung ate nyo sa phone niya. So yun, dinala ko yung bank card niya sa Bangkok at saka nag-withdraw ng pera dito sa airport. So yun lang yung kwento ko. Kasi naalala ko lang yung katangahan na yun kasi nga may katangahan na namang nangyari sa akin today. O diba? Yun lang yung kwento ko. Alright. See you guys in the Philippines. Baka magpapakita na lang ako ng mga video sa plane, ganun, arte-arte, ganun. Buyers. See you later. Ayan, nakapila na sila. Pero ako, hindi ako pumipila. Kasi alam nyo bakit hindi ako pumipila? Kasi tamad akong pumila. Inaantay ko muna silang maubos lahat bago ako pumasok. Ganon ako. Kaya ganon din ba kayo? Kasi nakakapagod kaya. Minsan tagal-tagal ng queuing, ng pagpila sa boarding. Pero ito parang mabilis lang naman. Ayan oh. Kumaano na sila, mabilis lang. So, hindi tumatagal kasi medyo na-delay yung boarding namin. Hopefully, on time pa rin yung flight namin. Usually naman yung mga Chinese airlines, on time sila.
Cover rice or chicken rice?
Chicken rice, please. We have free lunch. China Air. Pickles. Muffin. Yakult. Wet tissue. Ganito talaga kapag mga Chinese airlines, kahit yung mga budget airlines nila, merong pakain talaga. Kahit na short flight lang, eto 2 hours and 50 minutes lang yung flight papuntang Xiamen. May pakain talaga sila lagi. That's our lunch for today. Meron pa talagang, may pa-coke pa yan. Papaanoin ka, papapilihan ka kung coke or tea or liquor or whatever you like. Sprite, gano'n.
洗手机您停止使用，看到使用许可证。
Nasusuka ako. Grabe yung turbulence. Kaya nga natigil yung pag-distribute nila ng lunch kasi yung turbulence malala. Ayan o. Nakakasakit. Ito, diretso to sa kanan. Hindi ko to makakain. Distribute na ulit sila.
你好，
Shishie.
好，先生，稍等一下，稍等一下，好不好？你呢？矿泉水。
Coke yung laman niya.
你好，
可以放冰块吗？
可以，可以，可以，
谢谢。
客气。
Nangingi tayo ng ice kasi hindi malamig.
先稍等哦，
Ah, 谢谢.
客气。
Just landed in Xiamen. So gloomy here. Oh my God. Ay, magbabas pala kami. It's raining here in Xiamen, so I'm a little bit worried for my flight, for my connecting flight to the Philippines. I'm not sure if you can hear me, guys, but Yeah, my connecting flight is in 2 hours and 30 minutes. So I still have a lot of time to kill at the airport. Yes, sasakay nga kami doon sa bus. Malapit na ako, SB19. Malapit na talaga ako. Just wanna make sure my luggage will be picked up in Manila. Okay, sheshe. Wala na, hulas na tayo mga B. Boarding na ako for my flight to the Philippines. See you Pilipinas. Pero grabe. Grabe ang dark ng skies dito sa Xiamen. Medyo kinakabahan ako. And just like what I said, I hate flying. How much more na may ganitong weather. Nakakatakot, but I know it will be okay. The Lord will be with us in this flight. Kita niyo naman yung weather na yan, mga B. Yan o. Grabe.
2号门滑梯位。
Okay, binuksan yung bag ko. Ayan o. Binuksan siya. So, check natin. Check natin kasi binuksan yung bag ko. Last time when I came back home, they also opened my bag. I want to check it before I leave the airport, so I just make sure that I can just be at peace knowing that nothing has been stolen or nothing is missing. When arriving in the Philippines, if you notice that your bag or your luggage is unzipped or the locks are unlocked, you have to double check before you actually leave the airport, just so you know that nothing is missing, or if there's something missing, then you can address it right away. Okay, everything is good. Welcome back to the Philippines, Nika. Oh my gosh. All right, my car is waiting for me outside. So yeah, welcome. So I'll see you. I'll be ending this vlog at the hotel. I am one of those early arrivals. So maybe people who are staying at IBs are just arriving, probably will be arriving in the next 2 days or probably tomorrow. So they will have an idea how it looks like inside. Alright, see you at the hotel. Finally, customs done. I'm now exiting the airport. I'm gonna go find my driver because I have a pickup here. He's got my name. Ayan, basics dyan. Hello po, yes.
Sige po ako dito po.
Sige po. Sige, thank you. Welcome to the heat in the Philippines. Oh, no. That's not me. Nadia, that's me. Yes. So, antay ko na lang siya dito kasi kukunin daw niya yung car niya. Nanggigitata na yung ko. Sobrang oily ko na. Pero I'm very happy to be back in the Philippines. Ang ganda ng car, oh. Ganda. Hello po. Thank you. Thank you po. Andito na tayo sa Ibis. How do you say it, Kuya? Ibis or Ibis?
Ibis Styles.
Ibis style.
Fourth floor.
Fourth floor. Okay, thank you. We're here na at the Ibis Styles Hotel in Araneta City. So let's see what the hotel is like. This is the entrance. Where? Check-in ako. Oh, my exchange. Ano kayo dito? Do you need my passport? Yes. Yes. When you arrive, you will be greeted with 4 counters right away. Ito. So, alam nyo na kung anong dadatnan nyo pagdating nyo dito tomorrow or on Friday. Meron silang dito, exchange rates as well. So, if you don't have Filipino money, you can exchange. Pwedeng mag-exchange dito? Sa inyo mismo? So yun na yung rate doon nakalagay. Sa inyo din po yung cafe doon?
24 hours naman siya.
Alright. May registration card lang dito yan. So mag-register tayo. Just your basic information lang naman. You have my...
No need naman, ma'am.
Oh, no need na? Okay.
May highlight.
Yung address ko, address ba dito sa Pilipinas?
You can do naman po. Any address naman po.
Any address pa? Okay. Hindi ko kabisado both address ko. Ano ba yan? Do you still have my passport? Kasi parang nakalagay dyan yung address ko. So, elevator. We're on the 11th floor and my room is 1121. So, 11:15 to 11:22 over here. 11:21. Let's go. Hoy! In fairness, the hotel is good enough. Well, dito lang kasi carpeted, very soft yung carpet. Okay, welcome to Ivy Styles Hotel, Araneta City! O, vlogger yan. Pretend na hindi pa nakapasok. Pero nakapasok na ako kasi nilagay ko kayo dyan. Pero guys, this room is really nice. It's spacious enough for 2 people. And I love that it's modern. Teka, I'll quickly show you the room, okay? It's really nice. Really nice. I'm here, mga kaps ko. Oh my God. I can finally rest. Nanggigitata ako. Kailangan ko manghilamos at least. Pero mga kakaps ko, di ba sinabi ko wala akong panty at saka wala akong bra. Kailangan kong lumabas. Finally, I'm at the hotel. Kailangan kong lumabas, bumili ng panty. Anong oras na ba? Mag-alas 9 na ata. Baka meron pa may H&M. Nakita ko may H&M sa labas. So, meron pang mall. I'm gonna quickly show you the room. Room tour, itech! Feelers. So, this is the foyer. And then, my luggage. Lalagyan ng luggage. And then, here you are. Ayan, may full-length mirror tayo from the ceiling to the ground. Diba? At saka, may sink dyan. Ayan, may chinelas, may towel, my hair dryer over there. At saka again, a mirror again. Hey, hello caps. Hello mga caps ko. Ayan, mirror again. Wow, mirror here and mirror there. Hindi ka ba magsasawa sa mukha mo dito? But let's see if this is working. Yes, that is working. There's a socket there. There's dental kit. Tissue, very nice. Okay, this is the shower room, I guess. The shower room is quite small, but that's okay. They have shampoo and conditioner as well. That's really nice. It's provided already. Again, provided towels, and I guess this is the toilet. Okay, basic toilet. Parang magkasing laki lang sila ng shower room. May bidet. Ayan siya. At saka yan yung door natin, mga cups ko. Again. Tapos, ayan yung bed. Oh, wala akong asawa na katabi. But, in fairness, maganda. Ito, ay hindi. Parang, ano lang siya, parang sticker lang siya. Bedside tables. 2 bedside tables. At saka may, table dyan. Oh, I love the lamp. Ayan, maganda yung lamp nila. Ito, space, may mga hangers. I love the hangers kasi gusto mong ano lang yung mga dress mo dyan. Tapos merong safety box here. And then, of course, provided na yung tea. My kettle. Sorry. Wala naman akong partner. Jar. At saka my fridge. Let's see if yung fridge nila may laman. Walang laman yung fridge. Okay lang yan. May Holy Bible dito. Alright, so that's basically it. And ito yung view ng room ko. Ang ganda. Uy, ito na pala yung Araneta, oh. Ayan. Tapos may TV din ako. Maganda na. Okay na to, mga kakaps ko. Ang ganda. Ay! Back to back pala yung mirror. Ayan. May pa-mirror dyan. Talagang Hindi sila nagkulang sa mirror dito guys. Kailangan mo talagang magpaganda kasi bago ka lumabas. Kaya binigyan kayo ng 3 mirror talaga. Ayan. Tapos may pa-drawing sila dyan. O, parang si Ken Char. Okay na ako sa ganito guys. So, yung binayad ko dito, magkano ba? Parang 3,000 per night ata dito. 3,500 per night. Tapos may libre na akong breakfast tomorrow. Tapos may swimming pool at may gym sila. 24 hours daw yung gym nila. Tsaka yung 24, yung swimming pool nasa top floor. Doon kayo magsiswimming. Tapos 5th floor kung saan yung breakfast, yung restaurant. At saka maganda, smooth naman yung check-in ko. At saka winave nila yung dapat na deposit ko kasi wala talaga akong cash, wala akong kapera-pera guys. Meron naman akong pera pero kailangan ko pang magpa-exchange. I'm not sure guys, depende case to case basis yan. Don't quote me on this one kasi depende sa sitwasyon nyo. So, for me, kailangan cash yung ibabayad ko if ever naman may magamit ako dito or may masira ako dito, saka lang ako magbabayad. Pero salamat talaga. That takes the edge off me talaga kasi kung wala akong pang deposit, kailangan ko talagang lumabas ngayon at saka magpa-change. Pero maraming salamat kasi na-bless tayo ni Lord na hindi na tayo magde-deposit. So, I'm gonna call my husband now, mga kakabs ko. Welcome, Nika, to the Philippines! See you, mga kakabs ko, and I'll be ending my vlog here. So, sa lahat ng mga mag-Ibis styles, ganito po yung expect a room like this. And it's nice enough. The bed, it's soft enough. Char. So, yeah, that's it, mga kakabs ko. I'll be calling my husband pa kasi worried na yun. So yeah, good night mga kakabs ko and welcome back home to me. Buyers!